already unboxed it, but I'll be putting together right in front of you really quick. My Shark Rotator Power Lift-Away Deluxe Vacuum with 8 attachments. Now my color, the color of mine is green. I got a QVC and that was the only color available at this time. Not a big fan of the color, but I'm excited about getting the vacuum cleaner. I think it was $48, 6 flex payments of that. It came in 3 days, blah, blah, blah. But let's get to it. I'm gonna put it together right in front of you. It's fairly simple from what I see. So I don't know if you can see this, but this is the vacuum cleaner. I mean, this is the head part where I'm picking up all the dirt. So I'm going to take this part like this, put it down there. Adjust my camera. All right, there's like a connector right up top here where this would go right here, and I'm assuming you just click it in just like that, boom, and we're almost there. Now I'm assuming, based on the infomercial, that this sort of just slides into place like that. Yeah, that's pretty simple. We're almost done. And now I take this hose and okay, yeah, there's a connector down there that connects into that, and I go clicked in right there, and there you have it. Oh yeah, you gotta make sure that clicks in. So it's clicked in. Make sure everything clicks in that you're putting in. See, now it's in there. So there you have it, guys. I'm going to show you my attachments right now. Awesome, 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 awesome. All right, these are my accessories. This is where the base can go here, and I can roll it around so that the shark can get under certain spaces, as you probably saw in the infomercial. Came with that. Came with this thing, which is cool. This is what you would use to go under ovens, refrigerator, or any space that, you know, this piece can't get to. Yep. I'm assuming, let's see, this says, oh, this is for the hard floor, good, because I'll be demoing that too. I'll be demoing that on my next video, review of it turned on. This is just an unboxing and putting it together, by the way. So this is for the hardwood floor, and I also forgot to get over here this little mat for it. I mean the fiber, whatever you call it, this little thing. This would go under it. I'll be using it because I have laminate floors, so absolutely. And I'll also be buying a Shark steam mop pretty soon as well. Look out for that. I got this. This is, I don't know what this is. It says using hardwood floor setting. Came with that. This. What is it? The 2-for-1 thing that slides out. How do I do that? Make it so look so easy. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Okay. How do you bring it back down? Do you squeeze it? Don't know. Oh well, we'll figure that out at a later time. But that one, and then just this. Yep. So that's about all I got. But just for kickers, I'm just gonna plug it in and just make sure it turns on, since I just got it today. All right. So I'm assuming the on and off looks like it's right here. First button you can touch if you grab it like this. And so I'm going to adjust my camera. In closing of this video, I'm going to turn it on just to make sure it works. What I was doing there was playing with the different settings. So there you have it, guys. I just put together the shark right in front of you. It's very simple to do. They say it's a great vacuum. So check out my next video. I will be vacuuming my floors, and you'll be seeing it firsthand. I'll do my hardwood floor, and so my first floor is laminate, and my second, going upstairs, is carpet. So plenty of testing out that we can do. But anyway, thanks for looking at my video. Hit like if you like it. Hit me up with any questions in the comments that you may have. And if anything, thanks for just even looking at my video. This is Clean with Doug, and I'm out. Thanks. Already unboxed it, but I'll be putting together right in front of you really quick. My Shark Rotator Power Lift-Away Deluxe Vacuum with 8 attachments. Now my color, the color of mine is green. I got a QVC, and that was the only color available at this time. Not a big fan of the color, but I'm excited about getting the vacuum cleaner. I think it was $48, 6 flex payments of that. It came in 3 days, blah, blah, blah. But let's get to it. I'm gonna put it together right in front.